With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
At t equal to 0, a source of sonic oscillations S and on observer O starts moving along x and y axis with 5 meter per second and 10 meter per second. The figure shows their positions at t equal to 0. If frequency of source is 1000 Hz, find the frequency of signals received after 5 seconds. V sound equal to 330 meter per second. Here we can see that source is at 100 meter from origin in negative x-axis and the speed of source Vs is equal to 5 meter per second given, and observer is also at 100 meter from origin but in the negative y-axis, and the speed of observer V0 is given, which is 10 meter per second, and we have to find the observed frequency after 5 seconds, and we know that speed is equal to distance upon time, so we can write distance d equal to speed into time. So after 5 seconds the observer is at d0 equal to speed into time 10 into 5 seconds, which is equal to 50 meter around here from origin, and after 5 seconds the source is at ds is equal to 5 into 5 25 meter, but from origin 100 minus 25, which is equal to 75 meter from origin. Velocity of source Vs and velocity of observer V0, taking this angle alpha and this angle beta. This distance is 75 meter and this distance is from origin 50 meter. Now this forms an triangle. So now we can find this hypotenuse, which is under root 75 square plus 50 square, which is equal to 25 under root 13 meter. Using Doppler effect of sound, which is f dash is equal to f into v plus minus v0 divided by v minus plus vs, where v0 is the velocity of observer, vs is the velocity of source, v is the velocity of speed of sound, and f is the frequency and f dash is the apparent frequency, and this v is given in the question, which is equal to v sound is equal to v, which is 330 meter per second, and this is a case of approaching. So in this case v0 is in negative and vs is in positive. So frequency f dash is equal to f into v minus v0 divided by v minus plus vs, equal to frequency is given 1000 Hz into v 330 plus v0 cos beta divided by 330 minus v0 cos alpha. We know that cos beta is equal to adjacent upon hypotenuse, which is equal to 50 divided by 25 under root 13, and cos alpha equal to 75 divided by 25 under root 13. So f dash is equal to 1000 into 330 plus 10 into 50 divided by 25 under root 13 whole divide 330 minus 5 into 75 divided by 25 under root 13 After solving this, we get f dash is equal to 1030 hertz. This is the answer. Observe frequency after 5 seconds is 1030 hertz.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.